Nowadays, the economical globalization is in an accelerated developing trend. China is unveiling the era of large-scale enterprises in high profile. As a leading enterprise in the building materials industry, CNBM makes a development miracle in the history of building materials industry in China and even in the world by grasping the historical opportunities and making continuous endeavors. CNBM was founded in 1984. Over the first decade upon the establishment, CNBM was engaged in the production and promotion of new building materials and made great contributions to the development of building materials and construction industries in China. In 2002, CNBM implemented a strategic transformation, and the major products were shifted from the building and decoration materials to cement, glass, new building materials, new energy materials, new energy-saving houses, etc., so as to evolve into a comprehensive building materials group with integration of industrial manufacture, R&D, and logistics and trading. For over 10 years, under the leadership of SASAC, CNBM has upheld the philosophy of efficient use of resources serving the construction, technical innovation, internationalization of building materials, building strengths with talents, and market-oriented operation of central SOEs, and stuck to the development course of capital utilization, combination and restructuring, management consolidation, and integrated innovation. CNBM has achieved a revenue of more than 200 billion yuan, which has increased 100 times. In building materials industry, CNBM has become #1 in China and #2 in the world among Fortune Top 500 enterprises. In cement field, by resolutely eliminating the obsolete capacity, vigorously promoting the reorganization, restructuring and energy saving and emission reduction, CNBM has built Huaihai, Southeast, North and Southwest strategic areas and achieved the cement capacity of 400 million tons and the ready-mix concrete capacity of 350 million cubic meters, both of which are #1 in the world. As a result, a complete industrial chain is created and a good market linkage is formed. In the 3 new fields of the industry, by energetically developing new building materials, new energy-saving houses and new energy materials, CNBM has become the global largest plasterboard manufacturer, the global largest fiberglass manufacturer, the domestic largest rotor blade manufacturer, the domestic largest pen fiber manufacturer, and domestic largest casting refractory materials manufacturer. Besides, CNBM is also the domestic leading new energy-saving house provider and industrial leading flow glass manufacturer. CNBM possesses 13 first-class industrial research and design institutes and a scientific research team with over 13,000 people. Since 11th Five-Year Plan, CNBM has undertaken over more than 700 national scientific research projects, won 7 national science and technology awards and approximately 650 provincial prizes and above, and established and modified over 700 international, national and industrial standards. Accumulatively, it has owned more than 2,700 patents. The independently developed 10,000-ton class NSP cement, high-performance concrete, 50 million square meters gypsum board, super flow glass, ultra special cable, and other complete sets of core technology and equipment have been successfully used in the industrial production. A batch of achievements have been used in major projects as Beijing Olympics, Shanghai World Expo, Three Gorges Project, Shenzhou spacecraft, and weapons, making an active contribution to Chinese national economy construction and national defense industry. Based on huge advantages in R&D, manufacturing, and complete sets of equipments, CNBM has the import and export businesses in over 160 countries and regions, and establishes branches in America, Germany, Canada, South Africa, and other nations and regions. Thus sets a good example of win-win cooperation and harmony with the local governments, enterprises, and people. CNBM has the largest e-business export platform, OKOrder.com, and strong logistics distribution center and chain stores of the building materials in China, which can provide high-quality service for global customers. CNBM is pursuing green, cyclic, and low-carbon development in a passionate devotion to a beautiful China. CNBM advocates the cyclic economy regarding the use of raw materials, makes full use of urban and industrial waste under the precondition of ensuring quality, environment, and consumers' health, and realizes the harmless disposal of urban waste, the zero discharge of wastewater, waste gas, and pollutants in the production process, and emphasizes the energy saving, environmental protection, comfort, and health in the production application. CNBM actively makes contribution to the society and plays roles in the post-disaster reconstruction, new rural construction, and public welfare undertaking, which shows the image of a responsible central SOE. As the old saying goes, hundreds of rivers flood into the ocean owing to its tolerance. Looking into the future, CNBM will promote the integration and optimization, enhance the transformation and upgrading, and constantly improve the development quality and benefits with a wider visual field and more generous attitude and the guidance of scientific outlook on development, so as to become a world-class building materials industrial group with international competitiveness while realizing the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation.